Balancing work and personal life is critical for overall well being and happiness. However, finding the right balance can be challenging, especially in today's fast paced world. In this video, we will discuss 5 practical ways to balance work and personal life with example from successful Indian businessmen. Number 1. Prioritize your time. Time is a valuable resource and prioritizing it can help achieve a healthy work-life balance. Make a list of tasks and prioritize them based on their importance. Ratan Tata, former chairman of Tata Sons, is a good example of this. He ensured that he takes time off from work to spend with his family and pursue his hobbies such as flying planes and playing the piano. Number 2. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is crucial in maintaining a work life balance. Learn to say no to work related tasks outside of working hours. Narayan Murthy, co founder of Infosys, encourages his employees to spend time with their families and set an example by doing so himself. He believes that a healthy work life balance is essential for long term productivity. Number 3. Learn to delegate. Delegating tasks can help reduce your workload and free up time for personal pursuits. Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, delegates tasks to his employees and ensures that he has time to spend with his family and attend important events. He believes that delegating tasks is essential to achieving a healthy work-life balance. Number 4. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is important in balancing work and personal life. Making time for activities that help you relax, such as exercising or practicing meditation. Anand Mahindra, chairman of the Mahindra Group, believes in maintaining a healthy lifestyle by regularly exercising and eating a balanced diet. He also recommends taking breaks to recharge and focus on personal well-being. Number 5. Disconnect. It is essential to disconnect from work and technology to enjoy your personal life fully. Aditya Ghosh, former CEO of Indigo Airlines, ensured that he disconnects from work completely while on vacation to spend time with his family and enjoy the experience fully. He believes that disconnecting from work is crucial to achieving a healthy work-life balance. In conclusion, achieving a work-life balance is essential for overall well-being and happiness. The examples from successful Indian businessmen shows that it is possible to maintain a balance with the right approach. Remember that achieving a work-life balance is a continuous process that requires effort and commitment. Thanks for watching my video.